Alright guys, today I'm about ready to do the Reklez Hood Strut kit. Check it out. So I'm going to be changing over from this ugly looking spring thing to this. This is what I'm going to be putting in there, our Reklez Hood Strut kit. I'll put it in the link over at reklez.com. First, we got to take these old ones out. Make sure we got our hood support. So let's get to it. Well, Reklez's hood struts had to cut about this much off so that it'll fit and bolt up. So that's what I've been doing right now. Had to cut them. Here's the first one. Got it cut. Just got to paint it, then I can install it. So we'll get back to it. Alright guys, well, like I said, I had to modify the hood strut kits from Reklez, but it was my bad because I ordered up the wrong ones. I ordered the ones for the Silverado instead of the one for the Sierra, but nevertheless I got them modified, and I'm modifying a little bit even more to kind of give it a better look. Check it out. Here we go. So there they are, modified. Had to cut about a ½ inch off the mounting part of the bracket to bolt it to the fender. But as you can see, I'm painting them so that they at least somewhat match the color of my truck to give it a factory look almost, even though it's custom. Alright, we've got to let this paint dry, and we'll get to installing them pretty soon here. Alright, well, I got the mounting brackets on now. Look at that. They pretty much match the color of my truck. Could not use Reklez's bolts, probably because I ordered the wrong one. So I had to use the factory bolts to bolt the brackets in. Here's the other side. The only one I had to use that was from Reklez is that one, because that's the one we have to drill. But there we go, right there. Very cool. I like the way it looks like the truck color. So it looks almost factory, but custom. Alright. Got the strut mount right there. And the strut mount there. About ready to put the strut on itself. We'll see what that looks like. Just wanted to say also, hey, stay tuned also, because I still got to get that two-piece drive line installed. And I went from an underbed notch from Reklez to a monster notch from Reklez. So stay tuned for that, coming up soon after this video, after I get my drive line and my my differential, I should say. And then I'll get all that installed, and then I'll be getting all that installed as well. Alright, stay tuned for the rest of this video. Alright, so after a little bit of a struggle, because this bolt and ball when it goes through the hole on a GMC hood, there's a gap. So I got some sleeves, put them in there. Now they're nice and tight. Looks good, looks good. Look at that. Oh yeah. Reklez hood support. Nice. So now we got hood supports instead of those ugly looking springs. And look at this. The brackets look like it's part of the truck. Love it. Love it, love it. There we go. Reklez Hood Strut kit. Just watch this. They got so much pressure under them. Man, when I close it like this, barely have to do it, it pulls itself down. Man, they got all kind of pressure, so I ain't even got to put my hand on top of the hood anymore. Watch. I'm gonna do this. Let's pop it again. We'll see how these hood struts push the hood after I get it up high enough. Push the hood open. Look at that. You can hear them too. Beautiful. Reklez Hood Strut kit. Can't be no better, man. More modern looking. Functions really good. Love it. Alright, y'all, that's it. Peace out. See you till next time. Subscribe, like, comment. Appreciate everybody watching. Peace out.